Hi guys, I am currently in Soi White House, which is just off the beach road. As you can see, there's that blue thing right down at the end of the Soi with the trees. So today is just really a quick video just to see kind of what we've done in the bar and where we are at. Just to give you a little kind of taster of what you will get from the Seagull Bar. So to my right, I have the amazing eye, the all-seeing eye. Eye, how are you?
I'm pretty good. It's good weather, sunshine today.
Perfect. And would you say that you're kind of nearly ready?
Yes, we're nearly ready.
Nearly ready.
Yeah, for restaurant, of course, that's the first thing.
Perfect. So do you plan to open the restaurant as soon as the kind of lockdown is eased?
Yes, if they say a restaurant open, we will open.
Brilliant. So I suppose people could kind of come here and watch sports, especially seagulls, and they could eat food as well at the same time, I guess.
Yes.
That's a good idea.
That's what we want.
Brilliant. Can I have a quick look around your bar, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank
Please.
you. You're very kind, extremely kind. So this is a little tour of the Seagull Bar. So as you can see, there is an outside seating area here which is kind of segregated with some very nice shrubs, and we also plan to have another table here so people can just sit down and kind of see the sea at the end of the Soi. We've planned that there will be around 20 seats for dining. We've got a few inside. There's going to be another set of tables and chairs on the other side as well. So like I say, around 20 people can dine at any one time. So we are primarily a sports bar and a restaurant. So if you look at this part of our bar, you can see there is a really nice, comfortable bar area where at the moment I am playing some cheesy pop. So we will be having lots of kind of cheesy nights and different types of nights, but primarily we are a sports bar. So you can see we've got two screens on the wall. So when there are games on, multiple games especially, we will have games on these two screens, and also we are going to have a 110-inch projector shining onto that wall for a game. And also if you come with me into the living room area, there will also be a very comfortable area to sit and watch another 110-inch TV on the wall, another projector screen. So that's going to be for our football matches, and of course, like I said previously, we will be doing a lot of different types of nights. So we will have cheesy 80s nights, 100%, and we will also have pool nights. So this green space here is going to be our pool table. So we are having this built at the moment. So as soon as we've finished everything, the builders of the pool table will come in and they will put in an 8-foot pool table, American pool table for us. So we will be having pool nights, we will be having killer pool, and that will be this area here. So this is basically our brilliant bar. And like I said in previous videos, while lockdown is on, I will test this bar for you and tell you exactly what it's like. I'm going to test the beers especially. I will tell you what the Leos are like, the Chang beers are like, because I'm really good like that. So let's just have a final word from the all-seeing eye. The all-seeing eye. Let's get round here and give you a bit more light.
See you soon, guys.
So thank you guys for watching, and we really hope to see you soon. We hope to see you walking down this Soi and into our bar. Cheers guys, take care and stay safe.